So in this BTCC tutorial, I will be showing you how to convert USDC to crypto here on BTCC. So once the app's opened up, go to the bottom left and press on the home icon. Once you're on the home page, below where it says deposits, there's this bar. Slide this bar all the way to the right and then select more. Under all features right here, sort of in the middle left side between transfer and VIP, 4 rows down it says withdraw, or sorry, above that it says convert. Go ahead and select convert. So third row, left middle, select convert. Once you're here, you can then select where it says from. So in this case, you want to convert USDC, not USDT. I would just go ahead and select this. Make sure that USDC is selected so that it says it right here. Then where it says available balance, you can go ahead and type in your amount. So if you wanted to do 20, for example, you type in 20. And then right below, you can choose what you want to convert it to. So Bitcoin is selected here, but if you wanted to do Ethereum, you can do that. Or if you wanted to do what are other options here? Solana, you can do that. And if this looks good, you can go to the bottom, press get latest quotes, and then you can proceed that way with the conversion. So that is how to convert USDC to crypto here on BTCC. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.